Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. And today I'm at Burlington. They're open now, so I thought I would show you some of the deals they had. They mainly have deals in the clothing section, but I wanted to share a few cute purses. But it looks like their purses are almost all gone, like the shelves are pretty empty. I don't know if they just haven't restocked since they opened. But this is what my Burlington purse section looks like. It's a super cute BB purse. Now if you notice on the floors there'll be an X or an arrow. And the X means you're not supposed to enter that way. And the arrow means you can, but like there's no one else here, so I kind of just did what I wanted. But if somebody else was in the aisle, I would have went around. But these are all 50% off, all these women's clothes. And they have some super cute, nice tops. So what I found out, like most of these tops are $9.99 to $16.99, so 50% off would make them like $5 to $8. You could get a nice top for work or church. It seemed like in the clothing section all of the items were on sale, and they didn't have anything new, like from before they closed. Like, I wonder if they're going out of business or something, because it's like all they have is stuff that they had before they closed, and it's all 50% off. So are they not going to get anything new in? Or are they just trying to get rid of all this stuff? I don't know. I'm like speculating. But as you can see, they have so many nice things on sale. And then this is the juniors section. They don't have as many choices over here. But all of these are 50% off, so it's summer shirts. They're kind of like spring summer shirts, because some of them are a sweater material. My Burlington, they were keeping track of how many people could come in, but the store is so big that no one had to wait in line yet. Now on this side, I saw some super cute shirts like this one, because I love the animal print on the sleeves. That one is super pretty. This one says Fearless. And I like this one. It says Weekend Mood. And it looks like a comfy shirt to wear on the weekend. And I was wearing a face mask, but I accidentally put my mask on backwards and I could not breathe at all. It was like there was no little poofy part. It was just like suffocating, literally. But then once your mask is on backwards, you're not supposed to turn it around, because then you can contaminate So it was kind of hard, but I just pushed through. Then I wanted to go over here and look at these shoes. I think that they need to restock the shoes too. I certainly hope they're not going out of business because I do like Burlington. I think they have some good deals and I really like their shoe section usually. It seemed like mostly the sales were the clothes. The shoes were just normal price. Now these BBs, they sell those at backstage at Macy's, and they're super comfortable. They also come in white. So I thought these flip-flops were super pretty. I love the color blue, and they're just $9. And then the back wall here is clearance, shoes on clearance. My TJ Maxx is open, my Marshalls is open, but they both had lines out the door when I drove by, so I was like, I'm gonna wait because I just can't be waiting in a line outside. I just can't do that. It's bad enough, you know, you have a mask on. You have to social distance, but I do not want to stand outside in the heat with a mask on. So Burlington has a lot of super pretty dresses too that are 50% off. And then next I wanted to show you a few things in the home decor section. So they have these cute throw pillows. This one looks like it might be leftover from Easter, and it says it's extra 25% off. So I hope you liked seeing the deals at Burlington. It looks like the clothes are all 50% off. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.